Hey there, I'm Daniel, and today I'll show you how to create one-click flashcards using Google Sheets and Slides. This will save you lots of time. Let's get started. First of all, click the link in the video description. This will make a copy of the one-click flashcard generator template. Okay, you will see this. Press the Make a Copy button to make a copy of this template. So here's the template. Here, you can see some sample questions and answers for your flashcard. What we need to do next is to create a new blank Google slide. I already have one here. You should now customize the first slide's design, including font size, background, and other elements. This design will be used as the template for all your flashcards. Okay, once you are satisfied with your flashcard design, let's go back to the template. To generate your flashcards, press this button. When you first click the button, you'll need to give the necessary permissions for the program to run. Click on your Google account. Press Advance. And press this link at the bottom. Last but not least, press Allow. After granting the permissions, click the button again to generate your flashcards. Okay, now what you will see is a pop-up asking you to fill up the presentation ID. Let's go back to the Google slide now. Alright, to get the presentation ID, we need to copy part of the URL as shown here. Then we go back to the template. And we paste the presentation ID here. Press OK. And we are done. Head back to your Google Slides presentation and you'll see your new flashcards, ready for studying. As you can see, the flashcards are arranged in a question and answer format. So, question and then answer. The pattern repeats. That's it. Now you know how to create automated digital flashcards with Google Sheets and Slides, making your study sessions more efficient and effective. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy studying!